Hey guys, welcome to another video from Historic Militaria, and today we're going to be looking at another one of those really weird guns that Mauser cranked out after World War I. What this gun was and why they did it is anybody's guess, but as you can see, it is a full-sized Mauser upper, so full-size, full-length barrel, mated to a Bolo frame. And before you think this was put together by somebody, it's not. It's all serial numbered, and this is a known small range of serial numbers of these guns that do appear. And these guns actually do appear in two serial number ranges, and they're a little bit different. This is actually the first version that showed up of these, and in about the 447 to 448 serial number range, you'll see these occur. And it's essentially, like I said, the Bolo-sized frame. So you've got your small grip with your long barrel. But it's a little bit more complicated than that on these first models. This one has the standard Mauser lower, nothing amazing to look at there. You've got your sight graduated out to 1,000 meters. Again, very standard. Your standard chamber markings there. Your serial number, and this one's in the 447,000 serial number range with your crown U. But then you have this right here forward of the chamber, and that is a hash or repair mark where the barrel had actually been cut off originally and reattached. And why Mauser did this is absolutely no idea. I've never heard a theory that really works, and I don't think that anyone really knows. I mean, by all means, if you have an idea, I'd love to hear it in the comments, but really nobody's thought of one yet. And these guns have been known for a long time, so it's not like somebody was doing them recently. They've been known since at least the 1950s. But it's some sort of strange repair or something they did to a few of these guns to give them the long barrel. The other weird thing is you've got this right here, and usually Mausers do not have that pinned on front sight like that. That's highly unusual. Usually it's just one piece with the barrel. So it's almost like they had some barrels floating around that they decided to cut off what was there and then graft this one on. Why they do that, absolutely no idea. But as you can see, that's some pretty fine machine work, and they tried to kind of make it decorative by putting the hash marks there. Other than that, it's a very standard Mauser. You've got your standard markings on the side. You've got very nice post-war machining with nice deep blue. Your nice looking commercial grade grips. Cut for a shoulder stock as always. And again, if my camera will actually focus, your serials are repeated multiple times, as is typical for a good German gun. And then on your hammer, you've got the NS. So just one of those Mauser mysteries that nobody is really sure why they did it, but they did it, and it's a known variant. And if you have one, I would love to hear how you acquired it, where you acquired it, anything you know about it. And also, most all of them that I know of have this Germany stamp on them. So that's just another thing. They looks like they were made for export somewhere. So again, like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Keep this channel interesting, keep it going, keep sharing the knowledge, because that's what this is all about. And I would love to hear from you. So thanks for watching, and look forward to hearing some comments.